Palagi sinasabi ng Diyos, do not fear, I love you. Do not be afraid, I am with you always. So if your heart is broken, what should you do? Repeatedly go to God, listen to God, pray to God. Third and lastly, be humble. My dear friends, humility makes our hearts soft. We need to make our hearts soft. Let us pray that through our humility, we can make our hearts soft. My dear friends, stop looking at the reasons why your heart is hurting, but rather pray that your hearts be quickly healed. At paano mo mapapagaling ang iyong puso? Liban sa pagpapagaling ng Diyos. Tulungan mo ang Diyos ngayon. Bitawan mo na ang nakalipas. Kung hindi yan nakakatulong sa iyo, iwasan mo na o alay mo sa Diyos.